crunches. Wow. Huh, Arty? Oh, I'm tired. Trying out McDonald's in Hong Kong. Because they have so many different flavors. Milk tea McFlurry. I got
cookies and cream.
Beef with egg. Oh, cookies and cream milk tea McFlurry. Oh, cookies and milk tea. What does it say? Cookies and milk tea, yeah. Cookies and McFlurry. And then beef and egg. And then you got some chicken wrap. Is it yummy? Let's see, try it. It's yummy. It's very milk tea, Thai milk tea-ish. With
Milk tea-esque.
Milk tea-esque. With crunches. I recommend. Now for the egg. We're in the Ritz Carlton. Non-alcoholic drink here at the Ritz Carlton. What are we here for, Arty? No, what are we here at the Ritz Carlton for?
Tea time.
For?
Your birthday.
My late birthday. Okay, let's cheers. What should we cheers to? My birthday, 24. Yay.
先炒还是？
Lychee, filling, and topped.